There are 5 diesel engine oil myths that refuse to die, and falling for them could cost you thousands in repairs. These myths have been passed down from driver to driver, forum to forum, and they're still destroying engines today because people believe outdated information that was somewhat true before. Today I'm busting the 5 most dangerous diesel oil myths that even experienced diesel owners still believe. These aren't just harmless misconceptions. They're expensive mistakes that can lead to clogged emission systems, voided warranties, and catastrophic engine failure. Make sure you watch till the end because myth number 5 involves something most people do without thinking, but it can actually damage your diesel's fuel system in ways you never imagined. Myth number 1. If your diesel oil is black, it's bad. This is probably the most persistent myth in the diesel world, and it's completely backwards. If your diesel oil turns black quickly, that's actually a sign it's doing exactly what it's supposed to do. Diesel oil turns black because it suspends soot and carbon particles that are inevitable byproducts of diesel combustion. These soot particles are less than 1 micron in size, much smaller than a human hair, and the oil's job is to keep them in suspension so they don't settle and form larger, where causing deposits. The dark color actually demonstrates that the oil is working correctly by capturing and suspending combustion contaminants. The high pressures in the combustion chamber force soot and other contaminants into the oil, which carry them to the oil filter. Here's what most people don't understand. Diesel engines with EGR systems recirculate exhaust gases back into the intake, constantly introducing soot particles into the combustion chamber and oil system. Even bypass filters that can remove particles down to 2 microns cannot capture all the soot particles smaller than 2 microns. Clean-looking diesel oil after thousands of miles might actually mean the oil is failing to do its job. If diesel oil stays honey-colored for too long, it could indicate that the dispersant additives have broken down and can no longer hold contaminants in suspension. This is when particles start settling and forming deposits that cause real damage. It doesn't take much time for a diesel engine to put enough soot in the oil to make it look dark on the dipstick within a few hours of operation. If you can't dazzle them with brilliance, this is normal for any diesel engine type. The key is understanding that black doesn't automatically equal dirty or bad. What matters is the oil's ability to continue lubricating and protecting your engine components while carrying away contaminants. Myth number 2. You can use any diesel oil in your vehicle. This myth is expensive and dangerous, especially for modern diesels with advanced emission systems. Modern diesel engines, especially those with DPFs and SCR emission systems, require specific low SAPS oils, low sulfated ash, phosphorus, and sulfur content. ACAC specifications are specifically for vehicles equipped with state-of-the-art exhaust aftertreatment systems like diesel particulate filters. Using the wrong oil can prevent clogging of these expensive systems. Here's the science behind why this matters. API Fa4 oils are engineered specifically for modern diesel power plants that must comply with current federal emissions regulations, particularly those targeting greenhouse gas reduction. These oils are not interchangeable or backward compatible with older API classifications. Using the wrong oil specification can clog your DPF with ash deposits, poison your SCR catalyst, or cause other emission system failures that can cost thousands to repair. These newer engines operate under higher boost pressure, run much hotter, and can burn up to 20% biodiesel, requiring specifically formulated oils. Always check your owner's manual for the exact specification required. Look for designations like API CK4, FA4, ACSC1, C2, C3, or C4, or specific OEM approvals. Using conventional older diesel oil in a modern emissions-equipped engine is like using 1980s oil in a 2024 engine. The technology has evolved far beyond what older formulations can handle. Myth number 3. Thicker diesel oil protects better. Some people think going to a heavier grade, like 20W50 instead of the recommended 5W30, means more protection. This is not only misleading, it's dangerous for your engine. Using oil that's too thick can starve your engine of lubrication during cold starts when the oil can't flow quickly enough through narrow passages. Modern diesel engines have tight tolerances and require immediate oil flow to critical components like turbocharger bearings that spin at over 100,000 revolutions per minute. Thicker oil also reduces fuel efficiency because your engine has to work harder to pump the oil through the system. Your oil pump experiences more stress, and in extreme cases, thick oil can cause the pump to cavitate and lose pressure. Modern engines are designed with specific oil viscosities in mind. The recommended grade ensures optimal flow to all components while maintaining proper film strength under operating conditions. Going thicker doesn't mean more protection in modern diesels. It may disrupt the carefully engineered lubrication system. The right grade is always what the engine manufacturer specifies. They've tested thousands of hours under various conditions to determine the optimal viscosity for protection, efficiency, and longevity. Myth number 4. You can run diesel oil way longer because diesel engines are tougher. While it's true that diesel engines are built more robustly than gasoline engines, and modern synthetic oils have dramatically improved, the idea that you can dramatically extend oil change intervals is dangerous thinking. Yes, technically you could run some modern synthetic diesel oils for 15,000 or even 20,000 miles in perfect laboratory conditions. But real-world driving is never perfect conditions. Stop-and-go traffic, cold weather starts, towing, hills, dust, and countless other factors all accelerate oil degradation. Most diesel owners don't drive in ideal highway conditions with perfect maintenance and premium fuel. The safer approach for most diesel owners is oil changes every 5,000 to 6,500 miles, even with high-quality synthetic oil. This interval provides a safety margin for real-world conditions and ensures your engine gets fresh additives before the old ones are completely depleted. The cost difference between 7,500-mile changes and 15,000-mile changes might save you $200 per year, but the risk of oil-related engine damage that could cost $5,000 makes the extended intervals a poor gamble for most drivers. Myth number 5, adding gasoline engine oil to top off diesel oil is fine. This is the myth that most people don't even realize is a myth. They think oil is oil, and if you're just adding a quart to top off, it can't hurt. But mixing gasoline and diesel oils can cause serious problems. Diesel oils that don't carry both API C and S category specifications should not be used in gasoline applications, and the reverse is also true. Gasoline engine oils are formulated very differently from diesel oils. Diesel oils contain much higher levels of detergent and dispersant additives to handle soot loading. They also have different anti-wear packages and viscosity improvers. Gasoline oils have different additive chemistry optimized for spark ignition engines. When you mix them, you dilute the diesel oil's ability to handle soot and contaminants. You can also create additive conflicts where the different chemical packages interfere with each other's performance. If you must mix oils, only use oils that carry both diesel and gasoline specifications, indicated by both API C and S categories on the label. But the best practice is always to use the oils specified for your engine and avoid mixing different formulations. In an emergency, a small amount of the wrong oil is better than running low on oil, but you should change to the correct oil as soon as possible. Here's the truth about diesel engine oil that no one talks about. These myths persist because they contain tiny grains of truth that get twisted into dangerous advice. Black oil can indicate problems, but only if it's black and thick, gummy, or shows other signs of breakdown. The color alone means nothing in a diesel. Oil specifications matter more than ever because modern diesels are more sophisticated than ever. Using the wrong oil isn't just about lubrication anymore. It's about emissions compliance and system compatibility. Thicker oil did provide better protection in older engines with looser tolerances, but modern engines are engineered for specific viscosities that balance protection with efficiency. Extended oil changes are possible with the best oils under perfect conditions, but most of us don't operate under perfect conditions. And mixing oils? Sometimes it's unavoidable in emergencies, but it's never optimal and should be corrected as soon as possible. The bottom line is this: diesel engine oil technology has advanced dramatically, but so have the engines that use it. Following manufacturer specifications and avoiding these persistent myths will keep your diesel running strong for hundreds of thousands of miles. Don't let outdated advice cost you thousands in repairs. Use the right oil, change it at appropriate intervals, and ignore the myths that refuse to die. What diesel oil myths have you heard that didn't make this list? Share your experiences in the comments and help other diesel owners avoid expensive mistakes. Thanks for watching. If you found this video informative, please like and subscribe. And if you made it this far, I really appreciate you.